What's up, YouTube Priyateya? My name is Kidbreaks Experience, and today I shaved my beard after doing my bathroom as well. Anyway, last month is the debut of the Paramount Plus. Now, do you know what the Paramount Plus is? The Paramount Plus, like watching on the after CBS All Access be farewell, rebranded to Paramount Plus for a long period of time. As secretly to speak Serbian accent to be Serbian like me. So a good idea, Serbia. Why I guess it, so being a good objects like watching on Paramount Plus, or guess it for a long period of time. So I go to the Paramount Plus, go to Kidbreak2988 and watch. Go to shows, so like maybe go to comedies. Cause like my Beavis and Bud, my favorite show. You're young adults watch that. Just wait for the commercials to stop in. And boom! Boom shakalaka when I send it to Paramount Plus for a long period of time. When no laughing stopped. When the commercial, when MTV appeared like watching Paramount Plus. If did went to Paramount Plus when I'm watching Paramount Plus, the Paramount Plus like watching this is in a cable subscription cutting the core device. So you go to brands as hubs, select the CBS, go to brands as hubs like CBS, BET, Comedy Central, MTV, Nickelodeon, and various networks from the channels as hubs. You've got expected to watch on Paramount Plus for taking ever, but taking a guess for the bad idea. So watching Paramount Plus and I watch on the Comedy Central and other various models of the network. I'm guessing it. I disappeared to watch Paramount Plus in the disappointed for this time for price. But watching cable is you have to call. You watch CBS local affiliates, and especially in Chicagoland, but the Paramount Plus costs $10 a month. But you want watching, go to UEFA soccer, go to sports, select the live TV. And I go to CBS Network or CBS Morning News or Jutra Novinara. So trouble considered about on Paramount Plus, and I go to exit Paramount Plus, and it's like this. Go to home. Select the Champions League on Paramount Plus. Watch now in the soccer. What did you did? Do you stop the Verizon commercials? We have T-Mobile in the basement. I did not watch any commercials in a big smartphone. We got big ideas, nothing to be considered. Stop any problem. Velvet's not even a sky. UEFA soccer when watching Paramount Plus in the soccer tournament. Like paddle floats after mass service is over. We're gonna want to play soccer around to enjoy slow kick in the backyard. You to go to movies, and I like live TV, say movies, and like comedy. I like the I said Baba's Kids, my favorite movie. Baba's Kids, my favorite movie as well. Citizen Ruth. I like Citizen Ruth, my favorite. I'm watching Citizen Ruth in New York City to make it to the United States. Wait for the movie. I'm restricted to allow to watch. When it's Miramax, so watching Paramount Plus when it's Miramax movies and 10 minutes. When disaccounted to the drama scene, Citizen Ruth, exit Citizen Ruth. But I expected to watch Paramount Plus. This is my Paramount Plus, my favorite movie. And you watching a rated R movie. That's my secret is Al Madrigal. Why is the rabbit crying? Exit Paramount Plus. It's 3 minutes to watch. Exit the stand-up comedy, comedy as well. So home and I'm watching a movie. That's understanding to respect on Paramount Plus. The Paramount Plus is my favorite Paramount Plus when after CBS All Access be farewell, rebranded to Paramount Plus for a long period of time. Exit Paramount Plus. Express yes. So you have to go to YouTube as Martub next to watch Media's HDMI Yedan. To watch Netflix's free Turkish drama. I'm watching Turkish, it's very good drama. Why tagging the Turkish dramas my tags in my favorite option? My favorite Turkish drama for a long period of time. If I really were to watch Turkish drama, I did watch yesterday with my mom. This TVA channel comes to Turkey. For I respected, for I can't follow me for the long period of Yevim time. I did guessing with the honest Jews in the drama scene. So I excited to Paramount Plus with my sister's boyfriend, Brian aka Milorad Million. We got Paramount Plus. I got Paramount Plus for the long period of time. So that's for today, you guys. Thanks for watching. But my favorite streaming device is Paramount Plus. Do not forget to subscribe, like, favorite, and that's it. Goodbye. I'll see you on Wednesday. Or maybe the weekend.